Ever wondered how do you meet the best agents to find the best deals in the area that you invest or in the area that you live in? Well, let's understand real estate agents. So there are going to be three different types of real estate agents that you're going to run into. Number one, it's going to be a real estate agent that's brand new to real estate, is super thrilled, super excited, but does not know what they're doing, but they're willing to spend a lot of time and effort hoping to help you find a great deal. These are people that are very well intentioned, but they might not quite have the knowledge and they might not have the expertise to be able to help you as an investor. Now, that doesn't mean you can't work with new agents, but then you need to know more of what you're doing. On the other extreme, you're going to have agents that are extremely busy and are considered legitimate high producer agents. Now, this is another category of agents that are probably some of the best people to make friends with, but may not necessarily have the time to be able to spend with you as a real estate investor. So these are agents that I would want to know. I would want to identify who are the top agents in my town, and whenever their listings come up, and if you can buy your properties directly through them, always give them business, because they will always know a lot of people and they'll always come across a lot of deals. Well, then who's the best? I always recommend that always honor the agents that do business with you. What do I mean by that? So if an agent is spending the time and the effort to show you lots of properties, always try to buy the properties through that particular agent, because that's the only way a real estate agent will make money. But for you as a real estate investor, make sure you're doing your own property searches using Zillow, using Redfin, or any of the online tools that are available today. And then you should always be reaching out directly to the listing agent. So if you have a great agent that works with you, that spends their time and is helping you buy the property, always be loyal to them, because they are a great asset in your corner. Otherwise, always go directly to the listing agent. This is Andrew, and if you want to learn more tricks and tips on how to invest in real estate and do it right, click on the link below and we'll talk to you soon.